How do you use the method of loci? That's a great question. Let's discuss it. The method of loci is a strategy that you can learn and use to help you remember things that would be otherwise very difficult to remember. Previous research has shown that when you ask people to remember a long list of words, they tend to recall far more of those words when they use the method of loci than when they use no memorization strategy at all. Regarding the actual method itself, in short, you take what you need to remember, you break it down into its parts, and you associate each of those parts of what you need to remember with a symbolic image in your imagination. And then, in your mind, you place each of those symbols in a different location along a path in a place that you know. Simple. Then later, you can stroll down that path, and seeing each of those symbols in their spots helps bring to mind what it is that you intended to remember in the first place. Great. I have got a question though, just to put you on the spot. How many numbers, random numbers, did memory champion Fen Wang remember in the 2011 championship for remembering numbers? 300, that's correct. Well done if you remembered that fact. Moving on. Let's say you're a student wanting to remember a group of words for an upcoming quiz. Diving, violin, hot dog eating, running, cycling, memory, and piping.
How am I ever going to remember all these words?
Research suggests that the method of loci is typically more effective when you use a path like your route to work rather than rooms in a house. So, let's say you're a student who gets off the bus at UQ Lake Station. You walk down the path in your imagination and see the lake. And for the first word, diving, you place an image over the top of the landscape. For example, a diver jumping from a platform. Next, at the new amphitheater, you could imagine an ensemble of violinists playing music. Perhaps by the central sizzle, you see a grubby old man consuming a massive hot dog. You do the same for all the other items on the list, and with the last location being the classroom, where, to remember the last word, typing, you see another student pounding the keys of an ancient typewriter. Then, later, when you need to recall all 7 words, say in a PSYC4191 quiz, simply walk along that path in your mind, noticing all the symbolic images you left in different locations along the way.